Get ready for a game changer. Google's AI revolution is about to transform your online experience. The Photoshop killer AI model is on its way. The classic style is still available, but with Nano Banana, you can truly make your videos stand out. While NotebookLM's videos are still evolving, this update introduces a second general format, giving you more control over the final product. You can now choose between brief and explainer styles and provide prompts to guide the AI in the right direction. However, remember that generative AI can sometimes take creative liberties, so your results may vary. The good news? With Nano Banana, you can expect more consistent and impressive outcomes. The updated image editor, powered by Nano Banana, is also coming to Google Photos, although Google hasn't provided an exact timeline yet. They claim that Nano Banana is a significant upgrade over their previous image editing model, and early testers have been impressed. Google promises that Nano Banana will arrive in the Photos app within the next few weeks, making those conversational edits a breeze. So, are you excited to explore the creative possibilities of Nano Banana? Or do you think AI-generated content still has a long way to go? Let's discuss in the comments. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences with these new AI features.